All right, so from where I last left off, we had created our magical flying pig. What we're gonna do now is go to each of these objects, then go to resolution, go to the extra settings, wherever you see like decimate, you can decimate a little bit and like lower the count of triangles. From there you can unwrap, yes, and sometimes you'll get lucky and it won't take too long, but once you get that unwrapping, and you do that to each and every object in your file, you send that, you can what do you call it, you can export that as an obj to Procreate and do some some art stuff. Sorry, not art stuff, but you can paint it in Procreate and make it look a lot better than just here. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna show you a little by little how to do that. All right, so we got our pig. Body. All right, so let's go to our ears. Unwrap. We got our pig ears now. So like as we switch between things, it'll show that we have on UV unwrap. So just decimate, unwrap. So that's all good. Let's just unwrap here. So if you do get that warning, that just means there's more than 100K vertices, so that will take a while. Cylinders, or the little legs. Unwrap. See, so as long as you're under 100K, it'll go pretty fast. All right, so we got everything now. Everything's UV unwrapped and ready to. Let's see, make sure. Yep, everything's UV unwrapped and ready to export. So go to File, Export as OBJ, Export as OBJ, Procreate, Importing, and there you have it, your flying pig. Now let's do the body. What's a nice green color for pig skin? That's good. Okay. Paint. Remember, you can paint it. And it's all based on the angle, so unfortunately you will have to move around quite a bit. Let's do something a little bigger. There's the big brush. See? So yes. All right. Let's see. Set ears. Oh no, those are the wings. Let's see. There's the body. right, let's do our legs. Change that into pigtail. You are gonna have to move around for this, unfortunately, like I said before. All right, get the pig body. Where the cute pig ears. There we got it. All right, I think that's enough to show. So for the pig body, we do like a darker color here. Go in a little closer to them big snout. Okay, it's not too bad in here. All right. There we have it. Okay, so now let's do the eyes. Ooh, we actually made those together. So, fortunately, white. That's a little dark. Lower that. Good. Let's do a little white. Lower that. So there we have our eyes, and then let's do our pig wings, which could be like a grayish, no, like a dark color right there, yeah. Sweet. All right. Let's make this a little darker. Paint, lower it. Okay. All right, there you have it. Hand painted flying pig. And if we did this in Blender, we'd probably have, we could export this and we could probably do a bit of animation with those wings and legs. But yeah, hope this helps with your